If you want this amazing price toggle effect in your website or in your client's website, make sure to watch this video until the end. If you're new to this channel, my name is Gautam. I'm a web designer and a social media manager. I sell my service to local businesses, and now I'm trying to teach you how to do the same. So let's get back to the video. We are inside the GoHighLevel website builder. For the sake of this video, I'm gonna add a new section of prices to explain to you how you can implement the same toggle effect inside your own website. So click the plus icon, and when you go inside the pre-built section, you can find a plan section. So you don't have to build the prices from the scratch. You can play around with the existing price section. So you can see we got it. What I do is I'll copy this, and now you have two. So this is gonna be our monthly plan, and this is gonna be our yearly plan. Just to show some changes, I'm gonna change the pricing, and it's gonna be Y. It's gonna be 147. It's gonna be 197 with the Y because it's a yearly plan, and that's gonna be 1147, and that's a Y. And we are gonna add three codes, one on the top, two on the bottom. One on the top is a HTML, two on the bottom is going to be CSS and JavaScript. So for this, you have to add a section, and this code over here, do the same in here, column, code, and you have to copy this again. In order to get the code, go into the GoHighLevel code snippets. If you already have it, that's great. If you want this, link is inside the description. Currently, it's on sale for a couple of months. It ends on end of the Feb, so get this as soon as possible. You can find this under price toggle. As you see, this is the code. So this is the HTML, this is CSS, and that's the JavaScript. So what you have to do is copy the HTML, save it on the top, save. You got the toggle visual. That's not going to work at the moment, so we have to add the CSS. Open the code, save it, and at last you get to copy the JavaScript and open the code editor and save it. Now what you have to do is select the section, go into advanced, and you have to specify which is monthly and which is yearly, and you have to hide the yearly section. So go into the GoHighLevel and select the monthly plan, which is inside the description of the code. Copy it inside the monthly price section and put enter. Save it. Same for the annual plan. Copy, select the annual plan section, go in advance, and save. Then what you have to do in the annual plan is to hide the section. As you can see, the yearly plan went behind the monthly plan, and the only way you can see is to toggle the monthly and yearly. And if you want to change something within, you can delete the hide, or else you can click on this preview custom code. If you don't preview, you get to have it, so you can change whatever you want and click the preview. At the moment, the code will not work inside the code website builder. What you can do is save this and click the preview, and this is the new one. As you can see, it is working perfectly. The yearly is changing, the monthly is changing, and it's also a toggle between the colors. If it's in the monthly, the monthly will be blue. If it's in the yearly will be blue. And you can change the colors within the switching toggle, and the colors of the text, and the changing colors of the toggle. You can do that when you go inside the website builder. click the code. When you go inside the HTML, you can change the text which says yearly and monthly or whatever you want, which has to change inside this. Only the white text, which is the monthly and yearly. Please don't change anything else. And the same goes to all the other codes, which is here. Open codes. There are lots of different things. You don't have to change anything else. I'm just going to show how to change the colors. As you can see, the toggle circle is white. You can change this color, and the slider, which is this, you can change that color as well, which is inside the slider. And you can also change the color between the toggle, which is here, dark blue color active label, which is this. And at last you can change the text, which is this, the actual text on the side of the toggle. That's the color, the font weight, which is bold, text, the font style, everything you want. You just have to change the values, which I'm explaining to you right now. You don't have to change anything else. Even if you missed a code, I'm just going to explain to you what may go wrong. For example, if you changed even a dot like this, a dot next to the slider, and you save it and you save the website, as you can see, it's not working. So you better be careful when you're playing around with this. I'm gonna change it back, open codes, and there should be a dot. Save. So it's pretty simple. You just have to copy HTML on the top, two different sections, monthly and yearly, and you have to have your CSS and JavaScript on the bottom of the section, and select the monthly section, go into advanced, put the monthly plan custom class, and select the yearly section, annual plan, and hide, so that it's gonna hide underneath the monthly plan. And if you save it and refresh it, you get to have this monthly and yearly plan. You can change the styles of monthly and yearly plan when they toggle in between. You can give the viewers a visual representation of yearly and monthly. For example, like this. As you can see, you have two different style. The change of colors, it gives your viewers a visual representation of what's going on monthly and yearly plan. And at last, keep it in your mind, don't change anything inside the code. You just have to go inside the GoHighLevel code snippet, copy each and every code and paste exactly where I asked you to paste, and put the monthly plan on the monthly section, yearly plan and yearly section, and hide it. That's it, you're good to go. And if you want this GoHighLevel code snippets, and if you want all kinds of crazy animations and effect to plug and play, you can get this, link in the description. The sale ends in a couple of months. Get this as soon as possible. I hope you got some value out of this video, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.